design setups. So I just create the one. Okay, okay, this is subscriber 1, subscriber 2, subscriber 3, and here publisher. Okay, all the 4 server only in the single cluster. Okay, the what is the role of the publisher? Publisher is handle the configuration, modification, and changes. Central point of contact. That means that is it is a brain of the Aruba ClearPass. They are going to configuration, changes, and everything handle the main database. Okay, then after data configuration made changes on the Aruba ClearPass in the publisher, they replicate this data configuration replicate to the subscriber. Okay, with the help of database. Okay, the subscriber only handle the authentication request, only handle the authentication request like radius or takas or webauth. Any type of authentication request handled by the only the handle the subscriber. But when talking about the publisher not going to handle any type of authentication because they are going to modification and changes read write access from the only for the publisher, and the subscriber only read only access. Okay, all these three are subscriber only the read only access. The publisher going to configuration, modification, and changes, and the subscriber handle the all type authentication request. This is a simple and configuration and handle the configuration as at per role. Publisher what is the role, publisher and what is the subscriber role. And the one subscriber has failed, so automatically the traffic take care second subscriber, because redundancy with the help of VIP virtual IP setting or F5 load balancer traffic distribution. With the help of F5 load balancer, we can achieve the traffic distribution with the help of all subscriber. So this is for my simple and sweet lecture for the only over about the publisher. Thank you for watching this video.